how to unfriend all your Facebook friends at once. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to clean up your Facebook friends list quickly, you're in the right place. So first of all, open the Facebook app on your device and next click on the three horizontal lines on the top right. After that, scroll down and go to settings. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. So scroll down and then go to activity log. After that, what you have to do is search for view connections and tap on it. Once you're there, what you have to do is click on filters and then click on categories. After that, tap on added friends. You'll see the list of all the friends that you have added. Just click on the three vertical dots and then you'll see unfriend option. Now you can scroll down and unfriend any friend that you want to. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you.